Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate you how you can place the Ecodont Combi Retainer. What do you need? Etching material, bonding resin, a micro brush, adhesive paste, curing lights, and the burr to detach the CC retainer from the Ecodont retainer. Try and fit the combi retainer in your patient's mouth. If it fits well, remove the combi retainer again. Etch the elements where the CC retainer will be placed. Afterwards, rinse and blow this dry. Apply the bonding resin with a micro brush from canine to canine. Light cure this. Place the combi retainer now. Place some more bonding resins with a micro brush from lateral to lateral. Light cure this again. Now place the adhesive paste on the elements from lateral to lateral. Spread the paste with the micro brush. Make sure that no air bubbles remain present. Light cure this paste from lateral to lateral. Now detach the CC retainer from the Ecodont retainer with a burr behind the canines on both sides. As soon as you have done this, remove the Ecodont retainer to bond the canines. Once again, start with the bonding resin. Now you can place the paste over the CC retainer without any sharp edges remaining. Finally, you also light cure the canines and finish it where necessary with a round burr. Now that the splint has been placed, it can be worn full time. The Ecodont can now be worn as prescribed in the retainer protocol. Thank you for watching.